Welcome all. We are going to start our next lesson, that is multiplication and division. We have already seen the lesson addition and subtraction. So just now see near the board, there are two questions which we are supposed to multiply. But for earlier we are going to start with multiplication and then we will start with our division part. So multiplication, here it is 3-digit multiplication into 2-digit multiplication. 3-digit multiplication multiplied by 2-digit multiplication, because this number and this number, it is 3-digit and this one is 2-digit number, and over here it is 3-digit multiplication into 3-digit multiplication. In particularly post standard you are having this question, so you have already studied multiplication part, so we will just start it. Now this multiplication we are going to do it vertically. So just see how I am going to write it. 486 I will write over here, multiplied by 68. You are just going to tell me what will be the answers, okay? 8 into 6. 8 into 6, 8 6 are how much? Yes, it is 48. 8 8 are, yes, it is 64. 64 plus 4, 68. 8 4s are, 8 4s are is 32, and 32 plus 6 is 38. Okay, so now I'll write 0 over here. I hope you are knowing this. If not, just revise here, just see here the board. Okay, so now we will start with the multiplication with 6. When I am going to start the multiplication with 6 or any other number on the next, that is on the tens place, I am supposed to add 0 over here. If you are starting with the 100 one, you are supposed to go at this place and you are going to add 2 zeros at the this one at the unit place and one at the tens place. Okay, so now just see. 6 6 are, what is 6 6 are? Yes, it is 36. 3 will be on the top. 6 8 are, 6 8 are is 48, and 48 plus 3 is 51. 5 will be on the top. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. Okay, so whatever I got, I am just going to add them. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. And 1 went over here. So this will be 33,048. So the answer is 33,048. So now we will focus on the part which is 3-digit multiplication into 3-digit. 3-digit into 3-digit multiplication. So I am going to write it 785 into 350. Before that, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to take this unit place and we are going to multiply with all the remaining digits. Then we are going to take this tens place and we are going to multiply with all the digits. And say we are going to take the 100 place and we are going to multiply with all remaining digits. So now we will start with it. 0. 0 into 5. What will be the answer? 0 itself. 0 into 8. What will be the answer? 0 itself. And 0 into 7. What will be the answer? 0. So that part is okay. Now we are going to go on the tens place. So when we are going to go on the tens place, this number which you are going to carry down, it will be 0. So now let's start with this 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 will be on the top. 5 8s are. 5 8s are is 40, and 40 plus 2 is 42. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 4, 39. When now I am going to go on the 100 place, that's why what I am supposed to do, I am going to add 2 zeros over here. When I was starting for the tens place, what I did, I added 1 0, and then I am going to multiply for the hundreds place, so I am going to add now 2 zeros over here. Okay, always keep this in mind. So now I am going to start with 3. First I am going to multiply 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is what? 15. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Sorry. And 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2, 23. So your answer is 2,74,750. So this is 2-digit multiplication, 3-digit into 2-digit, and this is 3-digit into 3-digit multiplication. Okay, we will see the next questions. Okay, so now we will see the similar questions on the board which have been given here. So 6480, that is 6480 into 960. So how we are going to multiply this? We are going to write vertically 6480 into 960. So we will start from the unit place, that is 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 8, 0. 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 6, 0. Okay, so now I am going to take 0 over here. We are going to start with the tens place, that is 6. So 6 I am going to multiply with all the remaining numbers. So just don't see the digits how they are so big, how I am going to calculate. Just go on doing the basic step of multiplication. Everything will be easy. Just don't forget your tables. Tables are very necessary over here. If your revision of tables is not yet done, please do it, because multiplication, division, tables are very important. Okay, so this is my kindly request to you all, just please do your tables properly. At least for the 5th standard you should be knowing up till 20. I am not forcing for you to do up till 30. At least do the basic tables up till 20. Okay, so just see me on the board. 6 zeros are 0, 6 eights are 48, 6 fours are 24, 24 plus 4, 28, and 6 6 are, it is 36, 36 plus 2 is 38. Okay, so I am going to add now 2 zeros. Why? Because we are going for the hundreds place. So 9 zeros are, I am going to start like this now. 9 zeros are 0, 9 eights are 72, 9 fours are, it is 36, and 36, sorry, what I started, 9 eights are 72, 7 over 9 fours are 36, 36 plus 7 is 36 plus 7 is 43, and 9 6 is 54, 54 plus 4 is 58. I am going to just add then now all the digits which have been mentioned over here. I know it is very big calculation, but still 0 0 0 it will be 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 8 plus 0 it is 8, 0 plus 8 into plus 2 it is 10, it will be 12, this will be also 12, this will be 6. So your answer will be 62,20,800. Okay. So if there is any doubt in this, just go through this video again and again. Fine. So we are going to start for the next one, that is 444 into 32. Now we are going to start with our unit place, that is 2 8s are 2 4s are, it is 8, 2 4s are again it is 8, and 2 4s are again it is 8. So we are going to take away a 0 now. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, and the 1 will be 13, and 3 4s are, it is 12, 12 plus 1 again will be 13. So just add it, 8, 0, that is 10, here it will be 12, 4 and 1, it will be 14,208. So now we will just see the word problems which have been given on the, or which we are going to solve it right now. Okay, so now we are going to see the word problem which is based on multiplication. One computer cost rupees 27,450. So what will be the cost of 18 such computers? Are you going to add them for 18 computers? 27,450, 27,450, 27,450, 18 times. So if we are doing it for 18 times, why multiplication is useful for us? When the number is twice, thrice, it is okay for us to calculate. But when it is somewhere in hundreds, more than that, calculation becomes little hard for us to do. We can do it, but it will require lot of time and lot of patience. So multiplication is useful in doing particularly such problems. If one computer is costing rupees 27,450, what will be the cost of 18 computers? Simple, what we should do, one is how much, 27,450, just multiply with it 18, so you are going to get your answer. So just see over here, one computer cost rupees 27,450, how much will be cost of 18 such computers? We are just going to mention it, 27,450 into 18. This will be a simple calculation. So how we are going to solve? Just see. We are going to start with our unit place, that is 8. 8 zeros are 0. 8 5s are 40. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 3 is 59. And 8 2s is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So now we are going to add 0 here. Why? Because we are going to start with our tens place. 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4, 1 7s are 7, and 1 2s are 2. And I am going to add it. Okay? 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 5, 11, 10 plus 4, 14, 7 plus 2, 9, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So, now it is word problem. So, basically I am going to write all the notations which are given. This is cost of one computer. 80 total computers or number of computers. And our answer is 4,94,100. So this will be total cost. What is the question asked to you? How much will 18 such computers cost? 18 such computers will cost rupees 4,94,100. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Try to solve such more examples which are given down below your exercise. Thank you.